A&B on the Ibarmia stand. And Koldo, there's quite an exciting announcement that you've made this year, isn't there?
Yes, it's really great. After a short negotiation and short talking with David Modig, the CEO and president of Modig Machine Tool Sweden, last July we signed a partnership, and this week here in the A&B and also in the IMTS in Chicago, we are showcasing to the world this partnership between these two family companies.
I love the fact that you say where purple and blue meet. Why have you brought the two companies together in partnership?
Well, the world is becoming more and more global, big companies. Both companies, we have the same history, tradition, around 75 years, each of us. So in total, 150 years of tradition, knowledge, values, the way of understanding machine tool manufacturing and the relation with the customers is identical. So we decided to join forces to give a better value to the customers.
And what is it that they're enhancing and bringing to market? Why is this going? Why are you stronger together?
Well, because I would say that Modig and Ibarmia, we are 100% complementary. The product range of Modig and Ibarmia, there is not any conflict. We both make machining centers, high-end machining centers, but the machines that Modig builds and Ibarmia are different, are for different purpose. Our partner, Modig, is much more concentrated in aerospace and automotive industry, while Ibarmia is more in heavy carry machines and other kind of sectors.
So what are your plans for the future?
Many things. First of all, there is lots to do. We have plenty of work, and we have to now try to coordinate the different departments of our companies, because this is going to be a real partnership. It's not just that we will put two brands just for a marketing scope. We want to cooperate in development of new models, new ranges. We have already started with some of them. We will cooperate also in the manufacturing. We will cooperate also in the purchasing, and of course we will cooperate in sales and service. So we have many things to do, but we are very excited with this goal.
Absolutely, you should be.